Lesson 3. Template Values. The next step to modifying the template is to link all of the values from the test sheet to our test step values. For example, we already have the values in our test sheet for the precondition business parameters, email, and password. They are value username and value password, respectively. Once we drag these in, we immediately get an Excel reference letting us know that the value for this test step value will be taken from the test sheet. The Excel reference indicates the path in the test sheet. So for username, Tosca is looking in the attribute precondition user value username. We will also want to do this for the quantity of the item ordered. As you can see, it is meant to be a random number rather than a static 25 as it was previously. The benefit of linking the values rather than typing them manually is that when we link the value once, the relevant value will be taken for each instance. In the precondition, this benefit may not be obvious. However, when we get into the workflow, we can see that the values will vary depending on which instance we refer to, or which test case we will run. In the straight-through instance, the payment method chosen should be credit card, as well as in the MasterCard, Discover, and Amex instances. In the instance purchase order, cash on delivery, and check money order, the payment method used should match the name of the instances. We can then drag and drop the attribute for payment method on the value here, and then whichever test case is run based on this template will use the correct option as defined in the test sheet. We would then continue on and link any values which should come from the test sheet. For example, purchase order number, credit card type, credit card number, and so on. Finally, we can also link the values for the verifications in the verifications test steps. In this case, we are verifying that the correct payment fee from the test sheet is linked, as well as being added into the total. Key points. How to link values. Drag and drop attributes into the value column of the corresponding test step value. Please complete the following exercise.